Hello friends, in this video let us see how to draw an interior perspective the methodical way. At the outset here we have a plan of a bedroom with a bed, a side table and a study table. The picture plane is marked out at the nearest wall surface. The line of vision is marked out with the distance from the left hand side wall mentioned clearly. The station point is marked out on the line of vision with the distance from the picture plane mentioned clearly. The cone of vision here or the extent of vision should never exceed 60 degrees as otherwise the view gets distorted. Once you have this much data, you can mark out the two measuring points on either sides of the line of vision on the picture plane, which is the same distance from the station point to the picture plane. So that on a fresh piece of paper, we can now set up the horizon line or the eye level, a line of vision and the two measuring points on both sides of the line of vision. The point on the picture plane intersecting with the line of vision becomes the very crucial vanishing point. Now we set up the height of the room on the line of vision. So we are taking it as 3000 mm. So we take 1500 mm below the horizon line as the eye level and 1500 mm above the horizon line. Draw out horizontal lines from these 2 points A and B to get the ground line and the ceiling line. Mark out points C and D at a distance of 1500 and 2100 mm from point A to mark out the corners of the room as shown in the plan. Then join C and D to the vanishing point. Draw verticals from C and D and a horizontal from B to get E and F as the corners of the room. Measure out 3550 from C to get G, which is the depth of the room. Join G to MP1 on the opposite side to get H. Draw a horizontal from H to get I. Draw verticals from H and I to get J and K. This gives us the basic block of the room, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the point I, which is the depth of the room for taking lateral measurements. Now for the window, first mark out point J from point A at a distance of 875 as shown in the plan on the lateral wall and K at a distance of 1800 from J, which is the length of the window. Join J and K to MP1 to get L and M. Draw verticals from L and M. Mark out N at 900 from A, which is the sill level, and point O at 1200 from N, which is the window height. Join N and O to the vanishing point to get P, Q, R and S. So we now have the window P, Q, R and S. To draw the bed position on the floor, mark out J and K at 900 and 1800 as shown in the plan. Then join J and K to the vanishing point to get L and M. Take N at 50 from I and join it to MP1 to get the point O. A horizontal from O will give you P and Q, which are the points for the headboard. Take R at 1950 from N, which is the depth of the bed, and join R to MP1 to get S. Horizontal from S will give you T and U. This gives you the headboard on the floor LMQP and the bed on the floor PQUT. For the depth of the side table, mark out J at 450 from I, then join J to MP1 to get K and horizontal from K to get M. This gives you the side table on the floor ELMK. For the depth of the study table of 600, mark out J from A at 600, join J to MP2 to get K, draw a horizontal from K to get L. This gives you the study table on the floor M, F, K and L. Draw verticals from each of the vertices that we derived at on the floor for the side table, the bed and the study table. Now for the height of the side table, mark out J at 450 from A, join J to VP to get K and L. Take horizontals from L and K to get M and N. Since the bed is the same height as the side table, we extend point M to get B, join P to the VP and extend the same line to get O and take a horizontal at O to get N. This gives us the box structure of the side table and the bed. Now for the height of the study table, we take point J at 750 from B, join J to VP to get K and L, take a horizontal at L to get M, join M to the VP and extend ahead to get N. This completes the basic box structure of the side table, bed and study table. For the headboard, join J to VP, extend ahead to get K, draw horizontal at K to get L. This completes the basic box structure of the bed, bedside table, study table and the headboard. Working along the same principles that we did till now, work on the design of each of the units and finish off the perspective. Hope you find these instructions useful. do subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Leave your comments, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.